Hello and welcome to the Canva training. This is the free version that we're doing training on, and today we are looking at line spacing. Now, line spacing is quite good, especially if you've got a lot of text on a page and you want to make it look a bit more spaced out or tighter knit, because depending on how much you need to get into that area. So what you would do, you'd have your text and then click on it. And at the top here in the white bar, you see the 3 vertical lines, and then you see the double-ended arrow up and down. When you click on that, it's spacing. And you can see here, it has letter spacing, which will widen up the gap between each of the letters. You see like this, and that was set at 0. And then you can also do it the other way, so it squeezes them in a little bit more together. Not great for doing it like that, but some of it might be okay. And then you have line spacing. Currently it's set at 1.4, so there's a bit of a gap in between, which is quite nice. And you may need to shorten that up, especially if you've got a lot of text that you need to squeeze onto a page, or you might sort of want to make it a bit bigger, separated, just to sort of pan out a bit more space on your page. That's completely up to you, and that's how you would do it. So letter spacing and line spacing is in here. Okay, I hope you found that useful. Thank you.